Any idea what this is? This product is by a mobile company. It's from Xiaomi. Costs around 300 rupees or $6 or so. It's a fidget cube by Xiaomi. They make it under this brand, Mitu. It's made with ABS plastic, made in China. You have to assemble it yourself. Costs around 300 rupees or $6 or so. So let's see what we get. Those are the instructions on how to make it. Looks pretty straightforward. You definitely need to follow the instructions carefully. Putting them on a surface like this gives you a better idea of how to do it. Try to match the picture. Once it's done, it's pretty straightforward. That's how it looks. It's one of those infinity cubes. Quite fidgety, because the cubes are rounded. It feels really nice in your hand and makes nice sound too. You can even do it with one hand. Quite fun to play with. They also have other kits that you can add on to this. Interesting to see that Xiaomi made this. I'm really surprised Lego hasn't jumped on something like this. All the pieces feel as good as Lego quality. Those pins look like Technique pins. They are really well made. They also have some interesting block sets. Maybe I'll review them in a future video. This is really well made. Quite nice. Check it out.